Today, let us look at how to make the 100% detox gooseberry-cucumber juice. For this, we've taken 1 cup of cucumber nicely chopped. To this, we add some amlas, nicely wash and cut. The combination of cucumber and amla gives you the perfect drink for the morning. To this, we also add some mint leaves for flavor. On top of this, we add ginger that will aid our digestion. We then ensure all the vegetables are nicely mixed and then take this into a mixer grinder. Completely empty all the vegetables into the mixer grinder, and to this add half a glass of water or water enough to submerge the vegetables completely. Now we are quickly going to grind this. Here you can see it's nicely ground. I'm running it through a sieve. This will help remove all the hard particles. To this I add some lemon juice, some salt, some pepper, and nicely mix this. For taste, we also add some honey, which is completely optional. Our detox drink is ready to be had.